Are you ready for my class? How is today? And do you have lunch? Do you have lunch? Lunch? Happy clap. Happy clap. Sunday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 days. A B C D. I love you.
You love me,
We are happy
family,
with
with
a
a
great
great
big and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you
you
love
love me.
me? Ya. Di sini with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me? With a great big hug and nah ini disambung ya, and a kiss from me to you. Yeah, and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say